Namaskara, it's me Nandita Shweta and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to talk about my morning skincare routine. Yes, asking me that what are the products I use in the morning. Basically, it's skincare routine. This is a most talked subject in YouTube. Everybody speak about their skincare routine, and today, yes, I'm also going to talk about my skincare routine. And these are basics, and these are, I have to put a disclaimer saying that these are the products which our doctor told me, doctor prescribed, doctors checked my skin, and then they prescribed couple of products. And here and there when I get some collaborations, I do use and trial and error, and then sometimes it goes up, sometimes it is good, bad, and everything is there, guys. So today I'm going to show you what are the products I'm using in the morning, not in the night. It's morning skincare routine. Welcome back. Yes, of course, mornings are for cleansing the face. You know, either you take shower or not, we have to wash the face. Yeah, I do that too, even if I'm not shooting. Or it's too surprising that I'm talking about, you know, face wash, right? Face wash, face cleansing, and what and all the words people use, I'm not sure. I though you say face wash. So the first, my favorite product right now I'm using is Cipla Salicylic Acid Foaming Face Wash. Again, I don't like oil based or you know, the sticky cleansers which comes and oil based and all. No, I don't like those kind of products in my life, whether it is makeup or no, skincare routine. So right now I'm using Salicylic Dears. So many doctors have spoken about this, and I use this product since ages. I don't count, you know, since how many years I use this product. Sometimes I stop, again go for the mild face wash, and then again I come back to this. This is how it goes. Right now I'm using this. Apart from this, I use CeraVe face wash. That is very mild. You know, people who does makeup, and I don't think, you know, that face wash is good for people who does heavy makeup and all. So I'm not saying it's bad. CeraVe is so good, and the doctor suggest you to use that brand. And yeah, I used up to the bottle and I was not sure about it, and again I came back to Salicylic Dears. Yes, this is my face wash what I'm using every day. Okay, 30% is done, but I like this product. And what else? Okay, after the face wash, of course you have to dry your face, and then it comes to the toner. Now every step is important when you're trying to do skincare routine, right? So I have a couple of products, as I told you. So the next product is toners. Again, there are a lot of confusion which one to use, which one not to use. So the toner, the doctor never suggested me to use anything, but I use Pixi Glow Tonic 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner. This is like very little I have whenever I don't feel like doing any skincare regime. Of course I use. There's another product from Face Shop which is Triceramide moisturizing toner and lotion. This is little sticky. This is another product which I use. Any of either I use. And there is another product which is Cheek Nutrix Hydrate Face Serum, 5% hyaluronic acid complex but panthenol and glycerin. Yeah, this is another product from Cheek Nutrix. All the three products, either one of the product I use, not all the three, which is good. Not all the three I can use, and my face looks too cakey. Then later, what are the products I have on my face? And every day I can't do this, right? So these are the three products I use. And comes to the next product, which is vitamin C, which I spoke about it, which is from Monsub Vitamin C. This is the product I use as vitamin C, but it is only in the morning if I'm not going out. If you go to the sun wearing vitamin C, sometimes, you know, it may react or you may look dark. So I be very careful. When I'm at home only I use this product. And yeah, this is the product. And after all this, of course you have to use what? Moisturizer. I used there are a couple of products which I used, I tried and tested, and then yeah, there are some of the product like Simple, that moisturizer is good, and it's affordable also, which is good, which is very light moisturizer. I've used that, and I used DU is like more than 3500, 3650 or something. It's also lightweight, but the dabba is like so small. I have it, I can show it out. So that's the one product. If I'm not doing makeup, if I'm not going out or not doing makeup, basically that time I use Acosma moisturizer. This moisturizer was referred by Dr. Aishwarya Mukundan from Chennai, and she was the best, man. She suggested me so many good products, and I started using. I've seen the difference. And initially this Acosma moisturizer, I didn't like it at all. I'm telling you, I didn't like it because it was too thick consistency. But since I have this product, I was telling her, doctor, this is too thick, I don't want to use. But now in 2024, the summer, what we saw was so bad, and I started using because I don't want to throw this bottle. Okay, so you waste pannakodadilla. So what I did, I started using this product, and I am completely in love with it. It is a thick consistency, yes, but once you start applying to your face, you get used to it and you can't leave this product. And I was checking, where do I get this, and then in Bodycraft they have this product. You can just go and pick it up, not online. I don't buy any of these products online. And yes, Acosma is my favorite. If I'm doing makeup also, it's fine, but it little takes time to absorb into the skin. So I use it when I'm at home and I'm not doing makeup. I use this moisturizer from Acosma. As I told you, DU, in my defense, this is the moisturizer which I was talking. This is around 3650 or something. The moisturizer is really good, man, so good. I really like it, but it never comes like more than a month. Then what's the point spending so much? I was asking alternate. What is the alternate for this? Then it comes Acosma brand, and it's quite thick, as I told you, but I like this. If it is higher end, I use this product. I suggest this product. But it's okay, you have minimum budget for the skincare routine, you want moisturizer, then you can use Acosma. So both are pink. And there is another product, yes, which goes to my hands. Hands are also dry, face is dry, hand dry, neck is dry. Oh my god. So I have become like combination skin to dry skin. I can't say anything about this. But yeah, for body, it's again from Chosen by Dermatology. Smooth Fresh Moisturizing Cream for body. This is kind of ointment package, which I like. Actually, I apply this to my body, and next day I see it's good. Day or night, whenever I'm feeling dry, I use this product. Toner, right now I show the toner kind of a product I like, but so many people were talking about it. I also took it, and there is no regret of buying this. When I'm not using any moisturizer, when I have no mood to do skincare routine, yes, I do use this product. So this is the product. If my skin is too dry, of course it was dry in summer, so the Chosen brand from Chennai illa Renita doctor irukanga, ungal ellarku theriyum when I do follow her. So their brand Chosen Solitu, from their Optimist Water Body Aqua Oil Free Active Hydration Serum onnu enakku amchirukanga. This is one product which I recently got. If I'm feeling my skin is really dry and it is looking very tired, I use this product in the morning. This one or Muslin, both are like same texture. It's oily, oil free. For sure it's oil free, but it's kind of little a minimal sticky types it is. And I don't have any problem, if I'm at home, I use this product, so it's fine. I can apply those things. And you need sunscreen after putting all this. If you're not using sunscreen, what's the point? You have so much of patience to apply so many products, but you're not giving time for your sunscreen. If you want to skip all the above, whatever I said, whatever I'm using, then skip it. It's okay. But use sunscreen. This is what skin has to look good. If you want your skin to look good, if you want your skin not to look very aged than your age, then you should start using sunscreen. I'm not suggesting this brand, that brand, or that brand, nothing, but use any one of the sunscreen which is available in the market. Say for example, La Shield was so less, it's around 189 or 200 something. So La Shield I was using, and Dama, and then Dr. Shetty's, and Dot and Key, and ask me what not, Safe Screen from Chosen, and I bought a lot of sunscreen from Thailand recently when I went. So yeah, I am a lover of sunscreen. I don't skip sunscreens applying or buying from the shop, or if any new thing is coming in the market, I definitely try, and I make sure, I don't want to get into deep, but I make sure the sunscreen which has 50 plus PA and all that, because I don't want to much think about all that. But what doctor says, okay, you should buy 50 plus. Okay, cool, I will buy. I don't want to study of all that. If I want to study, I can go to dermatology, I can study cosmetology and dermatology, and I can become a doctor, right? No, not that deep. I want to go and study about all that. What doctors say, the basic things I learn, and then accordingly I buy things. And yeah, right now I'm using sunscreen SPF 50 with niacinamide plus vitamin B5 plus vitamin F, broad spectrum PA++++. When I see plus and 50, I am going to buy that. And this was a PR pack which I recently received. I was not sure of this because it's from Minimalist brand, but surprisingly this was so good. Before doing makeup, I used this. This will not leave any white cast, trust me. For face, it's so good, and it makes your skin look little fair also, whatnot. So yeah, right now I'm using this sunscreen. These are my morning routine skincare products I use. And you may feel like I'm using so many products. No, I'm just giving you suggestions. What are the products, either this or that you can use. These are like minimum 5 products. Yes, minimum 5 products I use, and a lip balm, any of your choice. I use Laneige lip balm. That is what I use. And these are my morning routine. Either I go out or I'm at home, I'm going to use these products. Let me show you the sunscreen from Minimalist, vitamin C from Moonsa, PU or Acosma moisturizer, and Pixie Glow Tonic, or Mucin Power Essence Nail Mucin, and yeah, Face Shop Toner, Hydrate Cheek Nutrix Hydrate Face Serum, either any of this. And finally comes to Chosen for the dry skin. It's for the dry skin. And finally, yes, this is the one face wash I'm using. So these are the products I am using in my daily routine. It's only a morning skincare routine. So any of this, make choice of yours, like 4 products must and should: sunscreen, moisturizer, or face serum, or face wash. Yeah, either any of the 3. Face wash, moisturizer, sunscreen. 3 products you can use in your daily routine in the morning before you're going to school, college or work. Use that and the life is sorted, right?